Hi viewers, welcome to Savoury. Today I am going to make Puli Pongal, otherwise it is known as Puli Upma. For that I have taken broken rice. You can call it as rice rava. We call it as rice kurnain. It is available ready-made in the shop. If not, you can just the normal rice can be used. You can sprinkle little water and keep it for 10 minutes, then dry them up and pulse it in the mixer for 1 or 2 seconds, then sieve it through the sieve and you get the rice rava like this. This I have washed and kept it. Normally we don't wash it when you are getting the ready-made one from the shop. This I have washed and kept it, and 1:4 is the measurement of water. Or you can add it, if it is not cooked, you can add the hot water in it. Here I have taken 1.5 cup water, half cup rice rava, half cup tamarind pulp, a small gooseberry size tamarind soaked in hot water and extracted the pulp, few curry leaves, salt, turmeric powder, urad dal, mustard seeds, chana dal, peanuts and red chili. The spices come from the red chili, so according to the requirement you can add it. Then hing powder. Then this is made in gingerly oil. I have taken gingerly oil. The taste comes from that actually. Now the cooker I have heated up. I will put oil in it. First I will put the peanut in it. It's a raw peanut, so you have to roast it. When it is half roasted, you can add the mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, curry leaves and the red chili. I have taken 2 red chili. If you want it spicy, you can add it according to your requirement. Now this is done. Quarter teaspoon of hing powder. Tamarind pulp. The water. Salt and turmeric powder. Bring this to boil. This has come to boil. Now we'll add the rice rava in it. If you want like Pongal type, Pongal is little semi-solid form, so you can add more water. After adding the rava, just mix well. Cover the cooker and bring to 2 whistles, one in high flame and one in low flame. Then switch off the gas. The Puli Pongal is ready to serve. You can serve it along with papad, any kind of raita. I wanted it little bit of liquid form, so I added another half cup of water. That is 2.5 cup of water I added. If you want the upma consistency, you can add only 2 cups of water for the half cup of rice rava. So it's really yummy. So hot. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. Do take care of yourself.